At Zufall Health, we understand that the fear of contracting the coronavirus may be causing you to put off a much-needed visit to the doctor. However, postponing your health care can lead to serious consequences. As the restrictions of the quarantine begin to ease, we want to assure you that we're doing everything possible to keep you safe when you visit our offices. If you need a medical or dental visit, please call first to receive guidance on if you should come to the office or have a telemedicine visit. When making an appointment, a Zufall patient representative will screen you for symptoms and history of exposure to the coronavirus. Our telemedicine program allows patients to have a visit with a Zufall Health provider using a smartphone, tablet, or computer from the convenience of their home. This is especially helpful so you can stay home when you're sick. If you are scheduled to come into the office, please avoid bringing other people with you unless it's necessary. Patients who need personal assistance may bring one person to assist them. Both parents are welcome to accompany a child to their office visit. If you have any concerns about this, please call the office before your visit. When you arrive for your appointment, you will be met at the entryway by a Zufall staff member wearing personal protective equipment. Your temperature will be taken and we will ask you about any symptoms and history of exposure to the coronavirus before entering the building. All people entering Zufall sites must wear a mask or face cover. If you do not have a mask, don't worry. We'll provide one before entering the building. After entering the building, remember to sanitize your hands. You'll notice that all Zufall staff are wearing masks. It might seem strange not to see your healthcare team's faces as usual, but we assure you that under the masks, they're all wearing smiles. When you arrive, you may be taken directly to an exam room, or you may be asked to sit in the waiting room. Waiting rooms have limited seating to enable proper social distancing. If you drove to the office, you may be able to wait in your car. A patient representative will notify you when the provider is ready to see you. Our waiting rooms are cleaned throughout the day with special attention paid to commonly used surfaces like doorknobs. Each waiting room is equipped with an air filter to remove airborne germs. Also, all exam rooms are disinfected before and after each patient enters the room. When your provider enters the exam room, you'll notice they may be wearing a mask or other personal protective equipment, but don't be alarmed by this. This is standard equipment used to protect the provider and the patient from possible exposure to the coronavirus. Personal protective equipment is worn by a medical or dental provider during patient visits, even if a patient has no symptoms of illness. At some point during your examination, your provider might ask you to remove your mask briefly so they can examine you more closely. It is safe for you to do so. Once your examination is over, you'll be guided to the exit. The flow of patients coming in and out of the building is tightly controlled to minimize your contact with other patients. COVID-19 testing is offered outside all Zufall Health medical offices for patients, as well as those who wish to become patients and the general public. You may be tested in a car or on foot. Call the Zufall Health office nearest to you to schedule an appointment and get tested. Visit zufallhealth.org to see a complete list of all Zufall sites and phone numbers. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you feel more confident that Zufall is doing everything necessary to keep you safe during a visit to our office during the pandemic. You can find more information about Zufall Health's response to COVID-19 on our website and social media sites.